going to start by removing this black plastic cover here that goes all across, and it's got a bunch of push clips that hold it on. So with your trim tool, try to pop these out. They might break just because they're stuck in there and they're old. They might go flying. But just go around and pop them all out so that you can get access to the headlights. Then you can pop the outside out. You don't have a lot of room to work here with. There should be one here, it's missing. Another one over here. All right, now you can lift this right up and out, just like that. Set this aside. You'll see a little Phillips head screw that holds this corner light in place. Remove it, and once that is removed, you can pull the light out. There we go. You can unplug it so you can set it aside. Plug in the corner light, make sure it's secure, and it clicks. And now slide it in. This hook right here needs to go into that slot, and that's what secures it on the bottom. And then on the top, this needs to line up with that, so you can screw it in. And once you have it lined up, give it a little push. Okay, make sure this seal stays on the outside. Give it a couple taps. Line up the screw hole. Let's get the screw. Snug that up. Let's put this cover back in place. Line it up with all the push clip mounting holes, and then we'll just reinstall all of them. For me, some of them broke. If for you, they did too. Just put back whatever you have. It's all right if you don't have every single one of them. Okay, these two down here, or three, I don't know, mine was missing in here, but these are a little bit different. These are larger. So make sure those go back where they belong. Grab some new push clips to replace the broken ones.